Hello, I'm Melissa Castellanos with HayLo Creative Designs, and today we're going to talk about rag bows. These are some bows that you don't see everywhere. So I want to, I guess, just let everybody know how awesome they are. Here we go. Oh my gosh, my heart's pounding. I got 2 ivory and 2 barn red. So these bows are rag bows, and they come from Gubba and Dangy Vintage Finds. Now I'm supposed to take and hold it from the back like this, and I was told, don't worry about shaking too hard. It's not going to come apart, and the more you shake it, the fluffier it will be. All right, so, and then she said, kind of scrunch the tails. Now this, I mean, it's stiff. I really like it. I guess I expected it to be more soft, but I love the fact that it's stiff because it's going to hold its shape. This is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So this is a 2-foot bow. She has all different sizes. I think she does like a 1 foot shorter than this one, and then some really long ones. And look at that rhinestone in the middle. And it's not one of those cheap plastic ones. It's like an actual brooch. It's metal, and it's super nice. Very nice quality. Wow. I am beyond thrilled at the quality of these bows. I am just like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that. The white one seems to be a bit stiffer than this one. So this one makes a little less sound, but it's like, it looks like maybe they're treated fabric of some sort, some dyed treated fabric. So let's shake this one. She said, don't be afraid. So here we go. Gosh, that is so fluffy. Oh my gosh. These bows came from Gubba and Dangy Vintage Finds. And if you can't, click on the link in the description of the video up above. When I'm finished, I will link it in the comments below. So which one's your favorite? Show of hands for the red. Or the ivory. You'll have to go in and, you know, kind of form them. They're like any other bow that you've received, you know, in shipping. They will have gotten, you know, shifted around just a little bit, but fluff them back up. And then she, like I said, she said scrunch the tails. And they do, they scrunch right up and hold their shape. That's just really awesome. These aren't something you see on everyday wreaths. Mostly it's ribbon off of the spool or the roll. You know, this is something a little different and a little more unique. I could imagine like maybe a pair of these 4-foot bows on the end of banister rails if you have a nice staircase. But I am over the moon happy with this purchase. No, I just can't wait to get started. Don't forget to like or subscribe to stay up to date on all our content. Thanks for watching.